Hello everyone, this is Nisha. I am currently pursuing final year EC department. In a internship, I did a project in the name of IoT based on home automation. We are two numbers in project. I am Nisha and my team numbers is Suresh Babu. So let's begin. These are the contents of the project. During the internship, we are studying the following contents: C programming and C++ programming, IoT on our system. Embedded system. In C programming, we keywords, basic types, operators, conditional array, pointer, and function storage class, and header files. In C++ programming, I have studied the basics hook concept, and I study introduction to IoT and introduction of embedded system and peripherals. These are the peripherals required on this project. A peripheral is the internal and the external device of computers, and we are use LED sensor, temperature system, and serial tank. Now let's see what is IoT. IoT is the Internet of Things. Is the network of the physical object that contain embedded technologies to communicate and sensing or integrating with the internal state or external environment. Now, what is embedded system? Embedded system is the combination of computer hardware and software. This is the architecture of embedded system. These are the project requirement. Controlling gather light on basics of sunlight intensity, temperature, system control, and water tank control. These are the components required on the project. In an hardware, Arduino and ETHW5500, then PCF 8574 temperature sensor, LCD HD 44780 and LDR sensor, then LED. On a software equipment, Arduino IDE TO code, Pixel Lab for simulation, null module embedded to confirm support of serial remote tank, and Brink IoT app. It is the mobile app which control this operation. Now we are explain briefly about in components of the project. And the first one is Arduino NO. Arduino NO is basics on a Atmaka 3280 microcontroller. Next one is ETHW5500. It is a hardware TCP IP embedded Internet control that provide easy internet connection to be embedded system. And this is the internet server TCF8574. It is a silicon CMOS circuit. It a general purpose as remote input output expansion. Temperature sensor. It is an electronic device that measuring the temperature of environment and converting the input data into the electronic data to record, monitor or signal temperature. Charge. LCD, liquid crystal display controller. This display alphanumeric and symbols. LDR sensor. This is a line depending resistor. Now let us briefly into the recommendation of the project. These are the output screenshot. This is the first step when we load the X file. Here is the LED on off picture. When LDR is high, LED is on. LDR is low, so LED is off. Here comes the cooler pictures. The cooler is on and off. These are the heater picture. The heater is on or off. This is the net value and is on or off. This is outlet when it is on, outlet when it is off. These are the mobile screenshot from Bilk app. This is the notification of heater temperature. This is the heater automatically turn off when temperature is rise above 35. This is the notification of water level. This is the water tank. Water tank is full. Inlet value will automatically off. Water volume levels We are come the last part of the project, that is conclusion. Here in this project we are using this necessary equipment and we are building IoT home automation project which is controlled by root IoT mobile application. Now I explain this code and this code automation project. First of all, we are including header file and libraries. Then we are writing authentication code which is a breaker. Then we are initializing the variables and declaring it, and we are including libraries is required. Then we use different function and some definitions input it. So this core of the function defined, it gives us the control required by clicking on as a mobile app blink IoT and LCD is display when the cooler is on. Similarly on it, when comes to vehicle input, this vehicle input also display from the, it will show on. Header is off, it will show off. The link button, it will display that of the water tank. So it will the blink enable and declaration that as a for the phone is on or off, and we take the parameters, it will read values from the blink app. Similarly, the output it show the from the flow is on or off, and this method is called enable and disable outlook. Update temperature reading function forgive the values in IoT app. So basically the app will show and display the temperature. We will that the value will be displayed, and the mobile app when it converts to handling the temperature is regulated to this the intent will have, and then if the heater is turned off. Similarly the notification when will appear on the mobile IoT app. The turn will be off, the temperature will be 35 above Celsius. When will comes to the function of header tags, if the tank value is less than 30%, that heat value is close, and it will show that the flow on the notification differented on the mobile app. This water level is less than 2000, the flow will be on. Similarly, the holds value is happen. That moment it will be disable the word, this flow will be stop. It will be mentioned on the LED that the flow will stop simultaneously, and the notification window and water level will start. In the step we will always initialize, will always become, and the mode is always called emitted. In idea bugs we pick in this brightness control method, this method will declaring the partless control method, which will this method will be declare blinking of LED with the help of India. In LDR.h, which is the header file, we have declared the macros LDR sensor, and we have given that as a value. We have also declared EMERTXE. In the task, there are also declared all the macros we are using in the program. This is the plan fact separate. All the method there is take, there is rolling method. In how much rolling this are not, and this sync method we show that the end value is enable or not disabled, and this method are declared area. Similar time that I have, that is the header file. Mention all the macros and then I have declare role of the head. Temperature system, that is be measured. The measures names are cooler controls. It will digital black coded black control. This the value between the system on and off, and it will be passed become the LCD. Similarly, it becomes the expenditure the temperature degrees Celsius. This method will be helpful to noting the temperature under degree Celsius, and it will be declare all the method from the temperature system, and temperature system if the header file is or not already declared, the method names may are declared already macros. This method there will be header of the system. Renders and code is reduced when it compare and compiled code in Arduino SAS Excel slab when the Excel is ready. Here the compiler should on this code does not any error, so we can upload it on the Pixel Lab. Now we can see the stimulation part. The home attenuation project consists of blinking of LED with the help of IoT. The load resistance, and when increase the resistance will turn on. The remaining part it common to become a main application. Here we get the blink up. We can see the option of temperature. The receiver starts to on. Pivot on the screen. The receiver is on when the click on the option. The cooler will start. The assurance of cooler stands off. When the click on the heater, the temperature on the screen will increase and it holds about 35 degrees Celsius. Automatically the heater turns up, and here the pop-up message temperature is about 35 degrees Celsius. Being on the heater, it will again terminate on. It will increase temperature and automatically it is terminate off. And in terms of the cool of the temperature decrease, thus the fans also turns on, and here on the screen there also temperature is decreasing. Similarly, it will turn in off. The terms is off. We will go to second tab, which indicating the water levels. We can see that help of that serial monitor. See the fan works. Just look of the tank. So this is the tank. It will get liquid and on. The tank will shows. Once the tank is filled, automatically the phone is stopped. Shows the screen. The tank is filled. It shows answers response. When it is decreases 2000 liters, the value that will on. Say yes, the tank is on. Again we can stop the tank. It's off. Stop the outlook of the screen. The outlook of screen it complete the rate of 2000 liters. Automatically it's turn off. We turn on the outlook. We check water is decreased. Here on the screen also decreasing, and on the tab from we can see the notification. The notification shows the water level is less than 2000 liters. So water is enabled. So water is disabled. This will be able to control the water level. So basically in this attention I have complete our project. It is based on IoT automation, home app automation, which seen the simulation. Basically on this responses project controlling IoT app. Mobile phones when turn on the heater level is above 35, it automatically turn off. It will show LCD screen also. But cooler condition, but it control the above 200 liters water. It will be turned. When the water level is decreased, it automatically turn on, and also the LED is blinking. And the temperature is sensor is also controlled by this app. When the temperature is visible on the mobile screen, and water tank also is in the blink IoT app. When the notification is blank, basically in this is the water level is increase. And able to control this from mobile. We can receive from the laptop screen and this cell oxygen. Thank you. This is our project. We are did this project in a team. Me and my team member is Suresh Babu. Thank you all. Thank you.